Introducing David Achom, a name synonymous with excellence in wealth management and financial empowerment. An American certified wealth manager, Nigerian business magnate, and philanthropist, David stands at the helm of innovation as the founder and executive chairman of Afro Money Week Limited, the visionary force behind the celebrated Introducing David Achom, a name synonymous with excellence in wealth management and financial empowerment. An American certified wealth manager, Nigerian business magnate, and philanthropist, David stands at the helm of innovation as the founder and executive chairman of Afro Money Week Limited, the visionary force behind the celebrated Lagos Money Week. As the dynamic CEO of Pace Setters Entrepreneurs Network, PEN Global Group, David Achom's impact is nothing short of extraordinary. In 2022, he secured the second spot on the list of top 22 young trailblazers in Nigeria. The following year, he was honored with the prestigious Sir Ahmadu Bello Sardauna Platinum Award of Excellence, recognizing him as the Achiever par excellence by the National Association of Northern Nigerian Students. In 2023, David achieved global recognition with the Nobel Prize for Excellence, presented by the Youth Coalition for Education in Nigeria, YOCEN, acknowledging him as a beacon of hope in Nigeria. He also got an ambassadorship deal of 25 million naira with TenTrade, a globally renowned multi-asset brokerage firm. A leading figure in African Forex landscape, David Achom founded Elevator Trading Academy, imparting financial confidence to over 15,000 individuals across various social media platforms and through personalized training sessions. Beyond his impactful presence online, David is an acclaimed author and a sought-after speaker, delivering over 20 keynote speeches annually. Today, we welcome David Achom, a visionary leader, a beacon of hope, and a global force shaping the future of wealth management and financial education.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. Um, I think it's safe to start by saying Happy New Year. It's safe to start by saying Happy New Year. And you're wondering Happy New Year in May. In fact, in the last Monday of May. What are you saying, sir? Yeah, it's safe to say Happy New Year. Um, because for many of you, it will be to you like the start of a new year. I promise you. It will be to you like the start of a new year. It's gonna be to you like the start of a new year. Something extremely powerful is gonna happen. It's gonna be to you like the start of a new year. It's gonna be to you like the start of a new year. You're gonna walk in tremendous progress more than you have this entire year. And so it's gonna be to you like the start of a new year. It's gonna be to you like the start of a new year. It's gonna be to you like the start of a new year.
Introducing David Achom, a name.
It's gonna be to you. Sorry for that glitch. I don't know, but it's gonna be to you like the start of a new year. You know how you do? Drop your location very quickly in the chat box. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. I want to know where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? I am in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay. So where are you right now? Talk to me. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Good morning, Joshua. Good morning, crazy peeps. Viewing from River State. Timileyin Oladire. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Abuja in Nigeria. Abuja in Ghana. Lord, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Where are you right now? 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 It says Nigeria. Is there only 4 people we have on the live stream? No, it can't be. I think that's not updated. It can't be. No, it can't be. It can't be only 4 people. It can't be. No, it can't be only 4 people. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Let's hope that is a glitch, like a delay. It says, good morning. Being from Benin City. Impressive, impressive, impressive. Actually, impressive. Actually, impressive. Actually. So okay, someone is chatting me up. It says I can't reply from YouTube. I don't know why. I observed that my YouTube also has glitch. Um, for some while now, I've been having a glitch on YouTube. Though I'm not streaming directly from YouTube, I'm streaming from a software platform, but it has a glitch. But even me, I'm seeing from my end, it keeps taking us back to what we didn't do. So let's believe there is a glitch. Let's believe there is a glitch. Let's believe there is a glitch. However, Timilene is in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, good stuff. Um, then some people are chatting me up. Another person has chatted me up again that he also can reply from um YouTube. So let's just take it like it's a mistake, like a glitch from their end. However, nothing's going to stop our shine. Nothing's going to make us to not, make money in the market today. Um, um, But let's get right into business, okay? So what we're gonna do first is um you guys give me one pair. We'll look at that pair together. Then I will do GBP USD, and then counselor will do gold. I will call it a day. We don't have time. We want to do 3 different pairs under 30 minutes, hopefully. All right. Um, Give me a pair, you guys. You guys give me pairs. I'll pick the one with the most suggestion. Don't chat my WhatsApp now. Try to leave the live and join again. Then chat the live. Don't chat my WhatsApp. Leave the live, join again, then chat the live. All right. Chat the live. Anyways, let's just get into it. So GBJPY, GBJPY, UAS. Let's say it's USD card you're trying to say. It's million dollar GBJPY. GBJPY has three now. I'm waiting for you guys so that we know what to analyze. I'm doing GBUSD for sure. So let's know which other one to analyze. I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting for you guys. You guys, talk to me. I'm waiting for you guys. Excellent morning, Coach David and Counselor. You know what? I don't waste you guys' time. I'll let Counselor say hello to you guys for like 30 seconds or 1 minute or max 2 minutes, and then I'll come in. I just need you guys to see his face. I know that yes, he's actually here. So I'll let him say hello to you guys for a minute, and then I'll take over to analyze GBP GBP and he will analyze gold. All right. So Counselor, if you're there, you can hear us. I'm gonna bring you up on stage right now. I'm gonna bring you up on stage.
Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. Good
Ooh,
morning.
how are you, brother?
Very well, thank you.
Let me
How are you
give you
doing?
your own stage. Let me give you your stage. So go ahead.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, hi is everybody? How is everybody? How was the weekend? How was last week trading? How was everything literally? Just reply me on the chat box if you're fine, if you're better, if it's good. How are you this morning? Are you pumped for the week? Are you expectant? Are you happy? Are you relaxed? If you remember the last time I talked about risk management, I didn't just tell you about how you're going to be like. I asked you if you're better, if you're fine, That is the spirit you should take to the chart. Not clumsy, not trying to recover last week's loss, not trying to trade $1 to $100,000. Are you comfortable? Are you fine? Are you happy? Are you relaxed? Like you see me this morning, I'm very, very relaxed. Nothing concerning me. Nothing. Today is bank holidays. Yeah, but we'll still look at something. If we see something that resonates with us, we're gonna take it. So let me know in the chat box how you feeling this morning. How are you prospecting the week? How are you seeing it? Is Nigeria happening to you? Yes, happening to everybody. But then is he dealing with you like dealing with you? Are you coming here to just come and post frustration on the market and then carry your problem, come and pour in the market? No. Let me know how you're doing. Timmy is always here. I appreciate you. Crazy Peeps, Uzoma, Pascal, Celestina, God's Love, Joshua, Ifeanyi. You guys are always here. I'm very, 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 very grateful for you guys. So, I don't know what I'll talk about then, but the thing is this. Trading is being a profitable trader affects all the facets of your life. It affects all the facets of your life. You can't show me one person, one trader that is reckless and profitable. Not reckless in trading, reckless in real life. He doesn't take his health seriously. He doesn't like normal hooligan, what you know for street, that makes money from trading. If you want to know how somebody is in real life from trading, the only how you will know is this. Ask the person his account history. Not account balance, not profits, not loss. History. If I can project one, no need. If I show you the history that I posted, okay, if you're in a Telegram group, I'll send it there right now. If you're in a Telegram group, I'll send it there right now. If you are on the Telegram group, if you're there, just tell me hi on the chat box. If you are there, please include cryptocurrency, compatible analysis. All right. If you're in a group, you know that I analyze gold every day. The gold that is buying currently, I'm on the buy. So it's not only currency pairs. Hi. All right. Okay. So thing is this. Every time you come out in the morning, say, I want to trade, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do that. You are in the probability market. You are in the market where the thing that is going to happen, you don't even know. You don't know. The next action that the market is going to take, you don't know. The next loss you're going to take, you don't know. That's why I keep preaching, come into the market with an open mind. Come into the market without expecting anything. Why? Because what you're going to see, you don't know. So when you get $100 and then counselor said you should go and buy gold, you take all the money and go and bought gold, and that $100 is your transport fare to the work next day, is your feeding money for that month, is your everything hangs on that money. The money is not free now. So why are you using it? Last week, I took about, let me check my journal. Last week, it was not funny. It was not funny. So it's that things that you shouldn't even be doing. Things that you shouldn't be doing. So when you do some things like that, you see that This once you realize that trading is probability, all the how do I put it? All the pressure, all the trying to know, all the trying to get it right will leave you. And that's when you become a trader. When emotions is far from your laptop, is far from your MT5, is far from anything you're doing. Once you just come, set it and get going. TP, no problem. SL, no problem. The same emotions across board. So whenever you get to that point, that's when you start calling yourself a trader. And that is when you start waking up in the morning without being woken up. That is when you start dressing neat without being told. That is when you start hitting the gym without being told. That is when you start having meetings without being told. Because you come every day. This is your personal work. Like I said, I told my friend last night, the hardest work to do as an adult is getting up, doing that job without anybody supervising you. You know that if you want to smoke now, you will smoke. Nobody's going to beat you. You live alone. If you want to humanize now, you will humanize. Nobody's going to tell you to stop because you live alone. But you chose not to do that. That makes you a better person. You sell that trade there. Market is open now. You can as well just go there and tap buy or sell. And you make money. Yes. Bastards go to chat and make money. People that don't know nothing in the trading industry go to that place and make money. People will tell you take profit and their risk to reward is 1:1. And they're using 100 loss size because they have the money. But you don't. That their profit, they cannot be consistent. But you ask me again, but are you consistent? No, but it's not. But if I'm making one profit, it covers 3 losses I've taken. If I have taken those losses, safe. So your life as an individual start getting better when you start respecting the rules of trading. Pastor Ejimi will say, it's not the law of finance cuts across every facet of your life. The law of finance cuts across every facet of your life. So if you're trying to get your own money from trading, it doesn't mean that you've already passed or overgrown or trashed the law of finance the way it should grow, the risk management involved in it. I told someone that risk management involves everything we are doing. For you to be a Nigerian like this now, staying in Nigeria, you're taking a very, very huge risk. For you to be a Nigerian going to work, coming back, that's a fucking risk. For you to be a Nigerian living in Lagos, your own self, your life expectancy has dropped by 20% for the normal life expectancy. So what again are you now being so how do I put it? You're being so reserved. What are you reserving? Someone will be in their house, a car that will fail break and enter the house and kill the person inside the person's house. So if you're here, you should be ruthless. If you're here, you should put everything on the line and make your life work. Nobody's coming to save you. Not even me. Not even David. Only thing we'll do, we'll talk. And the actions we take from your house, from that your room, from that your flat, from that your duplex, is all up to you. So I believe that is fine. I was given 2 minutes. I spoke for like 5 minutes already. So that is the way it should be. That is the way it should be. Once your life is better, just check your life. If your life is better, ask yourself, am I disciplined? Not in trading. Leave trading alone first. Am I disciplined in life? Counselor told me to come to this place around 8:30, and you're coming there around 10. Do you think I'll take you seriously? I won't take you serious. London section opens around what time? If you come around 11, you're no longer in trading London section. If you come around 3 or 4 for New York session, the main volatilities have already happened around 12:1. So how are you in your normal life? Are you filled with procrastination? Like, do this thing, don't worry, I'll do it next time. Because you are the one doing your job yourself. It's your own. Nobody will beat you, nobody will penalize you for not doing it. Nobody will ask you, why didn't you do this? Nobody is, like, you're not accountable to anybody, but you still get the work done. That's what makes it better. Fix your life, then you come to trading. The rules are already there. The rules are already there. Start now. The rules are already there. Start now. What you have to do is already there for you. What you have to see is already there for you. The conferences are there. The risk managements are there. The psychology needed for you is there. Everything is there for you. Just left for you to click the button and then relax. It's not hard. It's not hard, guys. So let's get straight to it. So let me say I'll stop procrastinating tomorrow. Nice one. Nice one. So, Mr. David, are you going first?
Hold on. Hold on, Counselor. Hold on, Counselor. Um, in the word of a famous procrastinator, I will stop procrastinating tomorrow. You have procrastinated your ending of procrastination. Anyways, go over time. So I will run through GBP. I don't know. My mouse is not coming on. My Apple mouse. I think it's dead, so I'm charging it. So I'll just manage to use the laptop cursor like that. But yeah, we'll do GBP JPY now and GBP USD. Then you do gold. Um, make a lot of money from it. I promise you. Make a whole lot of money from it. I've been away for weeks. I'm back now. You know, like this guy. What's that guy's name? Remind me. This popular musician, Naramali. I'm back. Yeah. So that is now. I'm back. Oh. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay. So GBGB, let's just go very quickly to the weekly time frame and see what the weekly is looking like. Okay, so first we agree that okay, this guy is bullish. However, he had a very so one thing about markets is any heavy move will repeat itself. So we see this heavy drop here. And we see price stalling for a period, right? Because something similar is gonna happen where it repeats itself, but we don't know when it will happen. But something similar is gonna happen. It's called impulse. So there's impulsive move in every market. So that impulsive sell it's definitely going to repeat itself. We don't know when it will happen. However, we know it will happen. All right. So we've seen that there's a likelihood of a sell coming later on, but we don't know when. All right. Um. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that since last year, price has not gone back to that high where it fell from, and the price has been making significant lower highs, lower lows. Let me make it make sense for you. So after this low here, price came up here to this high, right? Um, in fact, let me even draw the trend the way it actually is. The way it actually is. So we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, we have this high, right? So we're on the daily, we have this low, we have this high. You have price breaking this low, which means bearish move. You have this high. You have price breaking this low. We have price testing this high again, right? So what are we expecting? Because we are on bearish move, we're expecting sales. That one, have we all agreed on that first? We are expecting sales, except otherwise stated. What makes it for otherwise stated? For being stated otherwise, price must break significantly a previous high. So this price must break and close above it, not small closure, significant break and close. So if price breaks and closes above this point, we can then believe that we are bullish. But for now, daily is saying bearish. Let's go to 4 hours very quickly. 4 hours, oh my boys. 4 hours is bullish. Right? How do you know something bullish? Zoom out till you can see the candles conveniently. So we can see the candles conveniently, basically. So 4 hours is bullish because we are seeing significant highs and lows being created. Remember, bearish, weekly bearish, 4 hours bullish. I love following my 4 hour interpretation of charts every single time. Whatever 4 hour is saying, I like following it. But I don't follow it blindly. I'll tell you how I follow it. So this is GBDP, however. I want you guys to follow closely, please. Are you with me? Are you with me, guys? Can you see me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Please talk to me in the chat box. Counselor, you can unmute your mic if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you clearly.
All right, amazing. So, um, let's go back. 4 hours, we are bullish, right? So we can see. I'm just drawing structure. I'm not showing you any POI, nothing. Just structure for now. So we have high, we have low, we have high, we have low, we have high, we have low. That means we are bullish. So two things can happen here. 4 hours gives us that break and close above that we predicted, or 4 hours does something like this. These are the two possible things, right? However, no decision can be made from where price is right now. Let me explain what I mean. Let me explain closely what I mean. I said there are different possibilities for what price can do right now. One of them is break and close above this zone. It means until we see break and close above it, we can't do anything right now. Second is price. Excuse me, what's going on? Sorry about that. Second possibility is price buys to a possible retracement zone and then oh my god. Frank Water now, what's going on? Guys, sorry. I believe it happens to everybody, so it's nothing new. Sorry. Second possibility is price buying to a possible retracement zone, then selling from there. Those are the two possible things that can happen in the market. Those are the two possible things. These are the two possible things that can happen in the market. Um, so to know where the possible retracements can start from, or the possible sale can start from before that green line, that's for the second possibility of what price can do. We have to go to the 1 hour time frame. We have to what? We have to go to the 1 hour time frame. Actually, they said medically that water does not stop hiccup. I don't know what stops it. Good. They say water does not stop hiccup. I don't know. Just give me 30 seconds. All right. All right. So I'm here now. Oh my god. Me that thought I was here, Jesus. You know what? Let's pause on this. Counselor, are you there? Can you hear me, Counselor?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, go ahead. Open your camera. Let's see your face. All right, good
So,
stuff. Good. So I'll let you do your analysis while I
all right,
find
all right.
solution. Because I don't know why I keep having. Oh god, why I keep having hiccups.
Lie on your back. Lie on your back. You'll be fine. So I for the guy that said something about BTC, like this is BTC and you're currently buying, this is it, but that is not why I'm here. What I'm here to do is gold. So like I said last week, if you're in our live last week, I clearly said that
No, actually, you can do both gold and BTC. So you can do gold, then I'll come in and do GJ, then you do BTC, then I'll come in and do GBP USD.
all right, no shaking. So lucky you. So like I said last week, we have a very very simple thing. Like price is fractal. Price is fractal. They repeat themselves. So your own business, like I said, is to just spot out those repetitions. That's where your money is. Just spot out those repetitions. That is where your money is. You don't need what B is doing. You don't need what C is doing. Just spot out those repetitions and then keep hitting it hard anytime you see it. That's what trading is. You know, hard parts like that. So now, like I said that day, that gold came back to mitigate this breaker block. Mitigated it and started buying. But then we cannot just buy off any zone. You need to see what? You need to see a change of character from the smaller time frames. A change of character. It means when price is selling, but then something happened. The price invalidated this high. Once it's invalidated this high, it is said that market structure shift have occurred or change of character. Coach, whatever makes you sleep well at night. So, but for me, I look out for two breaks, not just this one, because this one can be an inducement to sell from this guy. So that one I'm going deeper now. So once you see something like this, the trend has changed. You can now start using this one as inducement, which is the breaker, and then continue going up. This is what gold is doing. So if you look closely, having this here and then this somewhere here. Let me just get this one a bit more better. So fine, yeah. So this is the zone that I tapped. After I tapped this zone, it went up, came down, went up. It did not break this one yet. So always know your break of structures. Like always know structure, not even break of structures. Always know structure. If you know structure, you've solved 80% of your technical issues. Because when your structure is right, you can follow the right direction. If it's wrong, you might get the trade though, but it will not be consistent. So from that point, this is the last one. This is the last high, came down. This one didn't break it, no problem. This one didn't break it, no problem. This one broke it. So this one broke it now. This guy is not even what made that break. Okay, this one is just liquidity that was taken out. The one that I saw that I'm like, okay, that's fine. Is this one. So what am I looking for? Bullish. I'm looking for bullish signs. But for the fact, say, I know that from my 4-hour time frame, this guy is bullish. All this pullback is just to gather liquidity. I started selling. I started buying from those times. Once it did this here, came back and started doing this, and I bought here, I bought here, I bought here, and then here. But the problem is with people is they don't wait for price to come to their POI. It is called POI for a reason. Point of interest. Point of interest. So once market did this and then take it out. So now your next entry now is for what? Now you know that your bias is buy. What are you looking for now? You're looking for liquidity that taken out and then POI to enter from. It's not that hard. Structure, liquidity, POI. So I've known my direction now. So what am I looking for? If you see this one last week, this is the liquidity that I've gathered here. Mind you, I've taken a buy from here before that broke structure and went up, but came back, took out this one, which means something is lying around here, which it have cleared. So now, this one a mitigation on Friday night, but I didn't even take it actually. This one is mitigation entry, so I don't want to start boring you with that. So this one is passed. So now to the current price action. I normally use this to keep my trades that I took, so that when I see those things again, I will not hesitate to take them. Yes, I journal my trades, and that's how I do it. So now, I told you something about Sunday market openings. Sunday market openings. Once market opens on Sunday, Sunday night, it leaves a gap. It leaves a gap. It leaves this gap here. For some weird reasons, if this live was supposed to be around 11 p.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., a very good sale. A very good sale, I'll take. Why? There's no why. This is the gap that the market created, this point to this point. So 50% of that gap is your sell. This thing, it can fail you anytime. Your SL should be anywhere you want it, or directly just if you want to give it space, your problem. 1:3, which is this last place, you're out. 8 a.m. now. In this morning now, you're off the trade for the rest of the day. But now that time is passed. So this guy here that has been created has been corrected. The gap that was created has been filled. So you're no longer looking for any sells. What are you looking for? You're looking for buys. You're looking for buys. Where will you see the buy from? From structure. Go back in your structure, and where is the last liquidity that market engineered, price engineered? Where? For me, is this place. This is the last place that liquidity was engineered. So for you to come and take it out, no shaking. So allow the market to come. If it's coming, this one has already been mitigated. This one has been mitigated. So the point of interest for me should be somewhere here. So our entry for today, which I don't know when it will happen, somewhere there, is here. And then the target is another all-time high. This one first. Remember, this is the first target. This is your 3R. Don't be greedy. This is your first target, second target, and then all-time high. So that is it. So let's stop from here first, which is our first target. 1:3 is the first target, so that's fine. So if you can see this thing now, you see that price is already doing the same thing in GBP USD. So for gold, this is my entry. Open it up here, here. So entry, the gold buy limit. Entry is 3305.759. Stop loss is 3288.403. TP is, that's TP1. TP1 is 3364.864. So that's it. So if you're in Telegram group, if you're not there, say hi or chat Mr. David Achom to get the link to join the YouTube channel immediately, ASAP. That's where this thing is going to be dropped, and I'm dropping it immediately. I'm dropping it immediately. So go there right now. Go there right now. Go there right now. So there is nothing too much for me to talk about on gold on BTC. Is already buying, but then I'll tell you how, why, and reason why I cut the buy from the point where I cut it. I'll tell you why.
Council, 1 second.
All right.
Mm, so you guys, the live stream, I mean the Telegram link is showing on your screen right now. All right. However, I checked the live stream. I see that you guys are only getting value, but you're not promoting it. So you're not liking the videos. You're not sharing it around. It doesn't work that way. So I want everybody to go ahead now and like the video while they're watching. Just put a thumbs up on it first, so that YouTube recommends it to other people. But whilst that is being done, remember once you're done with gold, I would do GJ, then you do BTC, and then I do GU. All right, let's just follow that sequence. Or except you want to do yours, and then I'll do mine. But I think it's good we follow the sequence.
All
So
right
one
then.
person to over talk.
So I am done with this. So you can go with GU right now.
Oh, okay. Okay, good stuff. Just share this analysis with the entry on the Telegram. It's only
Is
Monday.
it sent already?
Uh, okay, good stuff. Good stuff. It's only Monday live stream. Only Monday signals rather that are free.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're not free. Monday live signals give it to everybody, so everybody makes money together on Monday. So at least even if you don't have money to afford the private mentorship, you can make money with us on Monday. All right. That being said, um, let me just quickly run through BJPY like we were doing earlier. All right. So this was where we stopped. I said something is going to happen somewhere here. If you can see hear me, please just communicate with me, please. Counselor, are you there?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
All right, good stuff. So uh I saw the analysis you were doing, by the way. It's good. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. So on the 1 hour, remember we have an expectation of what price can do. Come up and then drop. But let's delete this. We know that this one, before we can take this as a valid place, price must close above this line. So that is one expectation. Second expectation is on the 1 hour time frame, we look for structure again and we'll follow the structure of the 1 hour time frame. I hope you guys are following me closely. Follow the structure of the 1 hour what? 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, what do we see here? Let me just quickly align. Okay, we see um high, we see low, we see um this high, then we see basically this low, right? So let's pick this swing. This entire swing is what I want us to consider now. All right, so let's delete it, and this is our consideration. Our consideration is this swing. All right, our consideration is this swing. This is our consideration. This is our consideration right now, and according to that, we have a high, low, high, low, high. We have this high. Then now price failed to give us a lower low, but instead broke above here. Now follow closely. Remember, structure is valid up until there's a break. So far the trend was saying we're selling. We kept on selling, but our price failed at this point to create a lower low. Remember, every high leads to a lower low in a downtrend. Price failed to give us a lower low. Instead, it gave us a higher high that broke out of this. Automatically changed 1 hour's trend. Follow me. So 4 hour is bullish, 1 hour, no, daily is bearish now. Yeah, wait, let me confirm. Daily is bullish. Okay, daily is bearish now. Daily is bearish. Weekly is bearish. 4 hours. High, low, high. 4 hours is bullish. 4 hours is bullish. Follow me. 4 hours is bullish. So we have daily bearish, weekly bearish, 4 hour bullish, and now 1 hour just confirmed bullish. What's confirmed 1 hour bullish? This candle that broke above here. The last 3 hours candle is what confirmed the bullish momentum on the 1 hour time frame. Nothing else would have confirmed it, I promise you. Because 1 hour, based on that swing, it says we're bearish, but now it has given us a higher high. I hope you are following me closely, guys. It has given us a what? A higher high. That means automatically that 1 hour is what? Bullish. All right. Since 1 hour is bullish and 4 hours is bullish, are we going to try to sell? No. Instead, we're going to look for good buy positions to buy into a possible sell zone. All right. Let's look at 30 minutes time frame. Same thing, bullish. 15 minutes will definitely be bullish also. Good stuff. So on the 1 hour now, what criteria do we use to get our entries? What criteria do we use to get our entries? It's a very important question. What criteria do we use to get our entries? You can do a very small back testing now. Very, very small back testing. So when price came, yeah. It has hit minus 27. But price moved from 88.6 on this one. Let's do very small back testing on Fibonacci, right? Very, very small back testing. And this one, you can see price drop from 70.5. So it means our holy grail is between 70.5 and 88.6. It has always been the holy grail for any market. 70.5, 77, and 88.6 is always the holy grail. 61.8 is like your lucky game. I don't know if you understand. If you've ever played Sporty, there's always that game. I've never played Sporty, but I have a lot of friends that used to play it, right? There's always that game that there's always that one that is it Sporty or Lotto? Which of them do they use numbers? I don't know if it's Sporty or Lotto, but there's one of them that they use numbers. There's always that lucky number that it doesn't work every time, but when it works, sheesh, it just gives you a lot of money as reward. So 61.8 is that your lucky number. A lot of people love 61.8, but I can tell you the truth. Price usually does not move from 61.8. If you check where price usually fall to 70.5 to move. It almost always falls to 70.5 to move. However, 61.8 is that lucky number that if it goes, you have zero drawdown. Like completely zero drawdown, unbiased. However, that said, let's look at remember we have this low, we have this high, which quickly draw it out in 2 seconds. This is our low, and then this is our high because we are now bullish. All right, so because we are now bullish, I'll use Fibonacci. And my aim is to buy anything inside of this zone. Anything here, I'm good to buy. Anything here. I just want to see confirmation here. Then remember, where are we buying to? You're buying to minus 27. I'm not trying to get the exact point the retracement for a sell will start. Everything else is saying we should buy. From 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, they're all saying buy, buy, buy. I'm not going to follow daily time frame, neither am I going to follow weekly time frame because I'm not a swing trader. All right, I hold trades for days if I need to. But on this trade, we are not trying to swing trade it. We're trying to day trade it basically. So we're looking for buy zones, rather buy momentum, and then that would start from here. All right, for GBP into this zone, we have a good 107 something pips plus for GBP. The SL is about 35 pips, but obviously it's not 35 pips. Obviously, because like I said, I like 70.5 very well. And whichever place you enter from, your SM must be below the next one. So if you enter from 61.8, your SM must be below 70.5. In case, like significantly below, in case price wants to mess you up. If you enter from 70.5. Your SL must be significantly below 79. If you enter from 79, your SL must be significantly below what? 88.6. Alright, so in this case, my SL is significantly below 79. That leaves us at a good 25 pips stop loss. If you want to even extend it a little bit more, you can do 30 pips. That's also okay, whichever one you want. But I'm doing 25 pips. 250. Okay, so that leaves us at 195 pips take profit, 25 pips stop loss. That's about 1 to 7 risk to reward. All right, which is fair, very very fair actually. It's like an impressive risk to reward ratio. So this is 1 hour momentum. However, you can then break it down a little bit more if you have interest in doing that. So by doing that, we are all seeing and agreeing that price is what's the word? Price is impressively rather the chart has given us some impressive buy biases. It has confirmed our buy bias. Price has confirmed our buy bias because we see an imbalance. Now, whenever there's an imbalance, price always comes back to fill it. Always. So this is an imbalance here. Price will definitely come back to fill it. And usually after filling it, it taps the next momentum, that next maybe other block or anything that confirms for a buy. After filling that imbalance, taps it and runs up. So are we going to see buys? Yes. Are we going to is price going to get here? Yes. Where exactly is the buy going to buy from? We don't know. That's why we have to mark out this entire box. Our preferred entry is 70.5, but we're marking out the entire box that once price gets there, we'll see confirmation. Because this GBJPY, the spreads are usually long, like they're usually big. The spreads are large on brokers. So I will not advise you to set pending order for this. Instead, I will advise you to wait and see price ready already. So you do market execution. Alright. So you can set an alarm for 193 192.800. Yeah, 190.800. If you set an alarm for there, once price gets there, start monitoring it. 192.800. Start monitoring it from that zone, and then I promise you're gonna see a lot of money, a whole lot of it. All right. But let me copy the image, post it on the Telegram so that you guys can know. Um, Set alarm for 192.800 so you can start monitoring price when it gets there. Good stuff. So I put it up um on the I put it up on the Telegram. I see some of you guys do not have it up on your oh, Counselor, you didn't put the signal on the WhatsApp. Was that a mistake? You forgot or something? You didn't put the signal up on the WhatsApp. Counselor, are you there? Counselor, can you guys hear me? Oops. Okay, Counselor just texted. He said my laptop is flat and the inverter is off. Oops. 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 You'd have told me now so that I'll allow you to do yours earlier. Oops. 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 Okay, you just texted now. Sure. Sorry. However, you see, good day, sir. I hope you're doing well. I would like to speak with you in private if possible. I can ask the way I can contact you on Instagram or other platform. Well, you can speak with me on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram. I will definitely reply. Alright, my Instagram is I am David Achom. I will definitely reply. It might take a while, but I will reply. I will definitely reply. Don't worry. I reply my messages myself. Sometimes people help me, but I reply it myself. I reply most of them myself. Just I take some time before we're able to do that. Okay. Let's do GBP very quickly. Um, let's do GBP very quickly. Very quickly. Let's do GBP very quickly. So weekly time frame on GBP is crazy bullish. I'm sure everybody have been seeing that happen. What's going on GBP is bullish. It's bullish. What's going on? It's bullish. Yeah, we are bullish. We are very bullish. It's bullish. It's bullish. The UK economy is not. I'm rather the UK economy is not really. So let me explain what USD means. It means you need. It said one GBP is 1.3 USD. It means that the US economy is having a flat. Right? One GBP is equal to 1.3 USD. Now, before it was one GBP is equal to 1.1 USD. It means the US economy was doing very okay at the time. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So, um, we are in the bullish weekly time frame momentum breaking above consecutively. Daily time frame also very bullish. 4 hours also extremely bullish. All right, 4 hours extremely bullish. In fact, we can even pick the 4 hours drawing from here because the rest is bullish. We can just pick from here. 4 hours bullish actually. On 4 hours, I would like to mark out my areas of confluence like I always do. Da 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 da. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh Sabaoth. The Lord of hosts. The King of glory. Yahweh Sabaoth. Okay, I like this one. First touch, second touch, third touch. One. Remember, we're trying to pick three. Yahweh Sabaoth. The Lord of hosts. It's been a while I saw one in football here. I think it was here last week now. I think it was here last week. Check the live stream of last week. That was Ife from Morocco. I remember his name, Seth. He's always on my live stream. Always. The Lord of hosts, the King of glory. Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh first thought, second thought, third thought. Good. Let's go and look for second one. The Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth. Let's go to daily first. Remember, this is one of the most difficult part of the analysis, but once you can get this on, you have solved half of your problem. I promise you. Okay, so we are going to come here on the 4-hour chart. Once you can solve this one, you have solved half. Take it from me. Half of your problem is solved. The Lord loves the King of glory. Yahweh. I've been using free trading view for God knows how many years now. I've not seen a need to. Yahweh, Sabaoth, first touch, second touch. Okay, we have not seen a third touch there. The Lord of hosts, the King. Okay, first touch, second touch, third touch. I like this one very well. Yahweh, Sabaoth, Yahweh, first touch, second touch, third touch. Okay, this one is also good. Yahweh, Sabaoth. Let's pick one above it. The Lord of hosts, the King of glory. This is a good exit point. Very good exit. No. This is a very good exit point. If you are a trader, you understand what I'm saying. That's a very good exit point I just showed you guys. It's a very good exit point. No, I'm impressed by that exit point. Yeah, in fact, I don't want to pick anything again. I like this exit point. Yahweh Sabaoth. So go back to candle chart. Yahweh Sabaoth. All we did there is draw out our confluences. So we do structure and confluence. We go to 1 hour now and look for entry. Hello. So based on 1 hour, what's our most recent high? Okay, I like it. Most recent low, most recent high. That's what we are looking out for. We have this high, we have this low, we have this high, we have this low. You have when the price break above this one here, you have this high, right? So let's start drawing from here. Some of you might not understand what I just did now. Let me show you. Let me show you guys what I just did. Low, high, low, high, low. Now price failed here. Give us a new low, right? So we're looking for the high. Let's zoom out. We're looking for the high that took out this high. It's not this, it's not this, it's not this. It is this. So this is the high. Now the low after that is our most recent low. And then our next high. That's what I just did now. So all I need is this area in the market. So by this area in the market, that means that this is our most recent low. This is our most recent high. Basically. Alright. Now following that, you can see on the 1 hour a place we all know as imbalance. Imbalance. I don't know if you guys can see. Now where's the imbalance? See the imbalance here. This small box here, this heavy candle that ran up, created an imbalance. That heavy candle that ran up created an imbalance. Do you understand what I'm saying? That heavy candle that ran up, it created what? An imbalance. Now, our entry is below the imbalance, anywhere below the imbalance. So the best zone below the imbalance. Let's draw Fibonacci from this low to this high. You see, according to Fibonacci, our exit is here too. Have you seen? When I say this is a very good exit point, I know what I'm saying. No, according to Fibonacci, that is our exit. According to Fibonacci, but where's our entry? We can't enter at 61.8 right here because 61.8. Well, 61.8 is good. It's good, but there are still entries downward. So why we price leave the entries downward and move from 61.8? Or we can start monitoring price from here. From 61.8, we can start monitoring price. Just monitor price. But my preferred entry here, 70.5. But we can just monitor price from when price gets here to when price, decides to move. All we can do is to monitor price. That's all we can do. We can monitor price. So we don't need this other down again. I'm okay with this one. This can be my stop loss below that line below. What am I saying? Below this place, below 70.79 rather. That can be my stop loss. But I'll only enter once when price gets there and gives me confirmation. I'm not going to enter before a confirmation. Don't worry, price is not going to enter and run out. This GBPUSD, this is not good. Yeah, GBPUSD, I know the chart. Price will take its time before it moves. Gives as many people confirmation as they need. Okay. Now our potential take profit on this potential. You are looking at a good 184 pips ish. But my entry, like I said, is here. So if I'm putting entry here, that's 200 pips. That's very healthy. 200 pips, and I stop loss, I'm putting it here. So let's say 25 pips. Let's say 25 pips stop loss, right? So we are saying 25 pips stop loss. That's a good 1 to 8 risk to reward. I promise you, that's a very healthy one. 1 to 8 risk to reward is very healthy. 1 to 8 risk to reward, like I said, is very healthy. 1 to 8 is healthy enough. So this is what I'm expecting on GBP USD, you guys. This is exactly what I'm expecting on GBP USD. We are buying, we are not buying yet. Price has to give us a good entry, then we'll join price. Okay, so let's watch out for what happens. If not today, then tomorrow. But we are not buying yet. Okay, so this is GBP USD. This is GBP JPY. The other one is GBP JPY. This one is GBP USD. Okay, so we have both GBP USD and GBP JPY to monitor. Then Cancelo dropped gold. He dropped the buy, very clear. So we have GBP JPY to watch. We have GBP USD to watch. We have gold to watch. There's a lot of money to be made. A lot of money to be made. So you guys don't sleep on it. I promise you, don't sleep on it. But I think that should be enough for the day. Oh, Counselor is back. Counselor, are you ready to be added back? Okay. He says he's not. He says he's not. Is it possible to catch the sale? The truth is that yes, you can catch the sell, but why counter trade? Imagine that the tide is going like this. I'm trying to swim. You can swim, oh, but why counter trade? You can swim, yes, but the question is why counter trade? Why? I don't want to leave money on the table. It's better to leave money on the table than for the table to take money away from you. Better to leave money on the table than for you to not see money on the table again. Oh. It's better to leave money on that table. At least you come back for it. Than for you to come back and not see money on that table. So choose one. That's my advice. Good morning, Coach David. It's Kelly. Oh, Kelly. Ife Giant. My brother, my brother, my brother. Hey, long time. Kelly, how you doing now? By the way, you guys, Kelly is my very, very good friend, turned brother. His elder brother is my elder brother's friend. So by virtue of that, we are family friends. He's a very great guy. Um, though he's not serious in learning Forex. He has told me 1 million times, I want to learn Forex now, my bro. It's not serious. I promise you, he's not serious in learning Forex. He's serious in other things, so he has many good businesses. So, but you see this Forex, his mind never did there. Maybe now why. Kelly, put your head in the game. Put your head in the game so that you join us. Well, he has money already. That's why it's just he doesn't really care about our Forex money. Our Forex money, maybe to him, is small money. Who knows? Well, good to see you, brother. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. 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 Is there any question? Anybody have a question or anything? Any question at all? Before we call it a day, is there any question? You guys, like I said, like this live video, please. Don't delay. Do it now. Like this live video. Just give it a thumbs up. In fact, let me go and check my phone now to see whether you guys have liked the live video or not. Like this live video. Oh, Kelly, it's good to see you here too, man. It's really good. It feels so good to see you here. Feels very good to see you here, man. You guys have not liked this live video. Only 7 likes. All of you are not. Well, let me not talk. People are not serious at all. People are not serious. People are not serious. People are not serious. I'm trying to revive you now, but you know you don't want revival. Okay, I've seen people have not liked it now. 16 likes. Okay, people are trying. People are trying. Okay, I've seen people have not liked it. 16 likes. People are trying. Camera play channels. How are you? How are you doing today? Camera play channels. So if you are viewing this live stream and you're not subscribed, I think there is evil spirit in your body. There's evil spirit in your body. See, I went to my subscriber list and I said, let me see my subscribers based on those who are subscribed, highest subscribed. My name is Ella. Ella, I think it's the Ella I know. If it's the Ella I know, then good to see you here. The Ella that sent me WhatsApp message some minutes ago. Then if that's the Ella, then good to see you. If it's another Ella, I don't know. And I'm trying to check my subscribers from those who are. Oh wow, Jeffrey Benson Forex subscribed. Learn Forex with Dr. Willis subscribed. They're all subscribing to the channel. They're all subscribed to the channel. I don't know why you are not subscribed. Your mentors are subscribed on the channel. All those your popular mentors are subscribed on the channel. I don't know why you are not subscribed. I don't know. You need to change. You need to change in this new year. You need to change. You need to change. You need to change, you guys. You need to change. You need to change. You need to change. In this new year, you need to change. Somebody say change. change. Anyways, you guys, you that's me. Amazing stuff, amazing stuff. So you guys have a good week, have a good day, have a good month, have a good year. The Lord bless you, the Lord keep you, the Lord upholds you, He will cause His face to shine upon you, He'll be gracious to you in this new, like I said, this is a new year for us because the Lord wants us to walk in newness of heart. So I want you to walk in newness of heart also, okay? God bless you. God bless you. Can we catch the shell? Yes. But why am I trying to catch the shell? Some people will catch it too. Yeah. But the question I'm asking myself is why? Why am I catching the shell? So for those that want to catch the shell, price has really tested that. But if price comes back up here, you can enter the sale. Keep your stop loss. So if you're entering the sale, keep your stop loss. Yeah. Above this candle, that's 15 pips. And then join it. Take your profit here. Don't stay too long. 70 pips take profit. You have tried. I promise you. If you see 70 pips take profit, you have tried. Already price has done. This one candle alone has done about 10 pips, which is fair. Right? But this is the only thing. But I'm not advising you to do it because you're counter trading. You're trading opposite the trend. But some people want to do it too. You know, you're all a free will agents. I can't stop you from doing what you want to do. All right. Um, bro, for don't chop on my money. Oh. No, because I don't want trade code. Ah, Kelly, come to my WhatsApp and talk to me. Come to my WhatsApp and talk to me, please. All right, you guys have a good day. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And I love you so much. See you at the top, not from the top. Because you know what it said, the bottom is way too crowded. Cheers, guys.